world, thank you for logging on to monstergardens.com. Today we're looking at some new fabric pots to the market. These are the Prune pots. The manufacturer's DL Wholesale. Of course, we've seen a lot of fabric pots pop up here on the market. This is a very inexpensive brand of pots that are obviously reusable and washable, just as every fabric pot is. But these guys are sold at a better price than you might see a lot of other fabric pots that are very similar on the market. These ones come with handles on the sides, and they're nylon handles. The gauge of the material is very similar width to, say, a smart pot, but it has one solid stitching in the back, and they're actually double stitched right here. So because it's a thinner pot than we might see with other fabric pots, you probably get more aeration to the root zone than some of the thicker pots, such as the Camo pots or some of the other brands that are out there. This one right here is the 5-gallon, which holds 19 liters of soil. Here we have the 3-gallon that holds 11 liters of soil. And here we have the 2-gallon that holds 8 liters of soil. The depth of the 5-gallon pot is about 11 inches. Its diameter is roughly about 13 inches. To clean these pots, what the manufacturer recommends is that you maybe get a 5-gallon bucket or a container of similar size or larger, and you put a 1:10 ratio, 10% bleach. You can wash these pots by hand that way, and it just ensures that any bacteria that might be in the pot is killed. And also you can throw some soap in there to get some washing as well. Now, you can throw these in your washing machine. Some folks like to do that, some folks don't. I guess it depends on how dirty the pots are to begin with and how you use your washing machine. Obviously, from not using a washing machine, the better route to go is to get a large container, fill it with 1/10 bleach, wash the pots, and you can of course let them hang dry. The 3-gallon Prune pot has a depth of about 9 inches, a diameter of about 11 inches, and then last but not least, the 2-gallon, which has a depth of about 8 inches. And of course this is a rough diameter, but it's about 9 inches on the diameter for the 2-gallon. So these are the Prune pots from DL Wholesale, available at monstergardens.com. Thank you for watching, and have a great day in the garden.